In this video we're going to take a look at connecting AI to Capture and use the CITP streaming facility so that we can see our visuals inside our lighting visualization. Okay, so first of all I've got AI set up here, and what I need to do first, I just need to come in and make a couple of settings. So in the system settings section I'm going to make sure that my CITP adapter is chosen first of all. Now I need to actually enable the components that I want to stream to Capture. So if we go into the stage patch, you see that the mixer itself has an Enable MSEX Stream button on it. That will stream the fixture final mix. And then if we go into the fixture, we can see that each of the layers also has an Enable button. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enable all the layers and enable my fixture mix. And then we go on to the CITP settings again and just enable them. So now we can step over to Capture. So I'm going to start Capture up. I'm going to start using Capture like so. Let's just full screen that to make it a little bit easier. So the first thing I need to do, I need to actually create a surface to receive my video. So I'm going to go into the library, into the media fixtures, and I'm going to go down to the VER panels because I know those ones. So go to VER, LED panels, and I'm going to drop in a Pixelflex 18 into there. Okay, so I'm going to just clone this up just to make my surface a little bit larger first of all. So I'm going to click on the spanner icon and I'm going to go to clone. Now I need to make sure that I have the correct offset. This is relevant to the panel size we're using, so I know that these are 1.2 meters wide and I want 6 clones here. There we go, so let's just press clone. Then I'm just going to reselect all of them. There we go, and we're going to clone and just give ourselves another row. So I'm going to change my X offset to 0 and change my Y offset to 2.4, which is the height of these units. Then change my number of clones to 1 because I just want 1 extra row. There we go. Okay, so before I go any further, I'm just going to select them all and group them together. Brilliant. And then let's just bring that up so that we can see it a bit better. Wonderful. So next we need to go in and we need to make a material. So if you go to the design panel, and on the materials section, if you right click and choose add new material, like so. So I'm going to call this AI output. Oh, there we go, there's a P in output. Okay. Okay, so then I need to choose the media that I'm going to apply as my texture. So I'm just going to choose layer 1 for the moment, like so. And then we can just drag that onto our fixture, and you'll see it turns purple when it's ready for us to drop that on there, like so. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to tell the material how to be applied to the surface. In other 3D terms, we might refer to this as the UV mapping. So if we click on the spanner icon, we're going to go for Map Material. And then if we click on the spanner again, we're going to go for Map to Extents. So we can see that my image is spread across everything. Now the eagle-eyed of you will notice that it's not moving at the moment, so all we need to do is set the view live. So if you click on the green spanner in the corner of the view and choose live, and we should see that moving now, like so. And if I go down to the media tab, we should be able to see all of the layers that we have available coming from AI. So if I put some stuff on some other layers, we should see that appear. There's our test pattern, and there's this nice moving image that we've got down here as well. And just to confirm, I'm going to fade that moving image into the top layer. There we go. So it's really nice and easy. Just set up AI first, then set up Capture, and it should see everything for you. One final tip is it is worth making sure in Capture that in the options section and under the connectivity tab that you do have the correct adapters selected for your ArtNet and for your CITP transmission.